Imagine coming home after a long day. You open the door, and your living room is spotless. The dishes are clean, the laundry is folded, and your dinner is already being prepared. You smile and say, "Thanks, Neo." The humanoid robot turns its head slightly, gives you a polite nod, and continues its work. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is the world NVIDIA and 1X technologies are building right now. The Neo robot is the latest step toward bringing human-like intelligence into the physical world. It's not just another vacuum cleaner on wheels. Neo has arms, hands, legs, and even expressive motions that mimic the way humans move. Designed by the Norwegian-American company 1X Technologies, this robot aims to become your personal assistant, cleaner, and companion, all powered by NVIDIA's groundbreaking AI brain called GR00T-N1. For decades, we imagined robots that could understand us, speak to us, and act like us. But now, for the first time, that vision feels real. Thanks to advances in generative AI and robotics simulation, Neo can actually learn how to behave in complex environments, not by endless programming, but by experience. It learns in a simulated world before ever entering your home. That's where NVIDIA comes in. NVIDIA's GR00T-N1 foundation model is like a universal operating system for humanoid robots. It combines computer vision, natural language understanding, motion planning, and reinforcement learning all in one massive AI brain. It's trained not only on text and images, but also on motion data and physics simulations. In short, it doesn't just think. It moves and understands like a living being. Neo's connection to GR00T means it can perform tasks with human-level reasoning. Tell it, pick up everything on the floor, and it won't just grab random objects. It analyzes what's trash, what's valuable, and where things belong. It knows a sock goes to the laundry basket, a cup goes to the kitchen, and a phone should stay on the desk. Every move is guided by context and purpose, something traditional robots simply couldn't do. The most impressive part is how Neo learns. Using NVIDIA's Isaac simulation platform, developers can train robots like Neo in virtual environments at incredible speed. In 1 hour of real time, Neo can experience what would equal days of training in the physical world. It can practice folding clothes, setting tables, or walking across uneven floors, millions of times over, before performing those tasks for real. By the time a Neo robot ships to your house, it already has a lifetime of training behind it. Right now, 1X Technologies is preparing to make Neo available for pre-order at around $20,000. Early adopters are expected to receive their robots in 2026 in the US, with international release a year later. It's expensive, but this is the first serious humanoid robot designed for home use, and NVIDIA's involvement gives it credibility that few other projects have ever achieved. This launch could be as important as the iPhone moment was for smartphones. At first, only a few people will have it. But as production scales, prices will drop, capabilities will improve, and suddenly, having a humanoid robot in your home may feel as normal as owning a smart speaker today. Meanwhile, NVIDIA is quietly building the infrastructure to make this revolution possible. The company recently partnered with Foxconn to deploy humanoid robots in AI server plants and announced large-scale collaborations with Cisco to expand AI data centers around the globe. Jensen Huang, NVIDIA's CEO, called this the beginning of the age of generalist robotics. Robots that don't need to be programmed for every single task. They learn just like humans do. That statement sent shockwaves through the tech industry. Because if robots can truly learn and adapt on their own, it means we're crossing from artificial intelligence into artificial life. Machines that don't just calculate, but actually evolve. Still, the rise of humanoid robots also raises serious questions. Privacy, for example. A robot that lives in your home sees and hears everything. Who owns that data? Is it stored locally or uploaded to the cloud? Could it be hacked? What happens if a company decides to collect behavioral data from your household for training purposes? Then there's the emotional side. What happens when robots begin to mimic empathy, humor, or affection? Will people bond with them? Treat them as family? The lines between tool and companion could blur fast. Some experts warn that we might underestimate how easily humans emotionally attach to lifelike machines. Others believe robots like NEO could help combat loneliness, support the elderly, and provide education for children. There's also the question of work. If humanoid robots can clean homes, assist in warehouses, care for patients, and even teach lessons, what happens to the labor market? Some say it will destroy millions of jobs. Others argue it will create new ones in AI management, robotics design, and ethics. But one thing is certain: society will have to adapt. Technically, what makes NEO unique is how natural it looks in motion. Its arms are driven by artificial tendons that replicate the flexibility of human muscles. Its cameras act as eyes, giving it 3D perception of the world. And inside, NVIDIA GPUs process real-time sensor data, turning complex motor control into graceful, human-like movement. Watching NEO reach out to grab an object feels unsettlingly real, like watching a person in a robotic body. The engineers at 1X Technologies often say they don't want NEO to replace humans. They want it to work with them. To handle repetitive, boring, or dangerous tasks, freeing people to focus on creativity and connection. That's an inspiring vision, but it depends on how the technology is used. History shows that every major innovation, electricity, computers, the internet, reshaped human life in unpredictable ways. Robots will do the same. Some homes will treat them as helpers, others will see them as threats. But one thing is sure, the line between human and machine is fading faster than anyone expected. In the near future, your personal AI might not just answer your questions. It might open the door for you, prepare breakfast, and remind you to take a break. It might even sense when you're sad and play your favorite song. NVIDIA's NEO robot is a glimpse of that future, a bridge between code and consciousness. This isn't just about a new gadget. It's about redefining what life with AI means. When machines start walking beside us, helping us, and learning from us, humanity itself will change. Some people fear that future. Others can't wait for it. But whether you're ready or not, it's coming faster than anyone imagined. So here's the question. When the NEO robot finally goes on sale, will you be one of the first to invite artificial intelligence into your home? And when it looks you in the eye and says, "How can I help you today?" what will your answer be?